In this SelfHoster review, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about this software. SelfHoster is the new blockchain tech that turns any existing PC into your own powerful hosting in a minute and host unlimited websites, domains from your own PC at ultra fast speed for life at an unbeatable one-time price. Now host and market limitless websites from your own PC with 100% control using your next generation software on the planet like 5G era. Your 100% own hosting platform. Fastest loading ever, anywhere in the world. Now convert your computer into a hosting company and have full control and host unlimited websites with 100% security. Host all your website content, including images, videos, graphics, and files securely on your own computer. No reliability on third-party servers. Intuitive hosting application connects your website to the entire world in a second. Stop paying huge money monthly to big hosting platforms. Inbuilt malware protection from harmful viruses. No server required. Turn any old or new PC as a hosting company. Even run it from remote desktop computers like Amazon EC2 for free. Unlimited bandwidth at no extra or monthly cost. Round-the-clock expert support and step-by-step tutorials. Limited time commercial license included to provide top-notch hosting services to your clients. 100% newbie friendly. Better tested, easy technology. Get started today for a low, one-time investment, no monthly fees. Still wondering why you haven't seen the profits you deserve? Because you have been paying bully platforms through your nose until now. Emotion Hosting, $7,200. Kinsta, $6,700. Cloudways, $5,040. WP Engine, $4,800. GoDaddy, $4,700. HostGator, $4,670. That's the cost you spend in 10 years. Third-party hosting platforms come with tons of other problems, like slow page load and navigation speed, improper data backup, insufficient website security, control on bandwidth, app installations, etc., lack of flexibility, scalability, overall reduction in conversions and business profits. So the final choice is yours. Keep following the same trend like the existing 99.99% of desperate marketers who pay huge amounts for expensive third-party hosting servers monthly with no guarantee of results whatsoever. Or embrace the change. Join the new revolution and pay only $16.50 one time today to use our latest technology and convert your own PC into ultra-fast server. Now it's time to turn your worries into blessings in just 3 easy steps. And there's no huge investment or time needed. Step 1. Connect your SelfHoster and PC. Step 2. Generate sites. Step 3. Access fast sites from anywhere in the world. And now, here's your chance to gain lifetime access to the most secured hosting platform at a low one-time cost. There is simply no competition. Make the smart switch to this life-changing technology and save thousands of dollars now. Get SelfHoster by paying a low one-time price today, just $16.50 one time. Fact. You can't do without hosting on the internet. Like we need a residential address in the physical world, our business needs a virtual address to exist on the internet. There is simply no other way. You probably know this already and are hosting multiple websites currently. Then this realization must get your blood boiling. Chances are you must be paying a huge monthly or yearly one-time fees. It is very hard for you to configure the hosting. Slow loading speeds of your website are killing your traffic. There is no reliable answer to your queries and solutions to your problems. Either you or someone you know has had their site hacked and paid huge ransoms to reclaim them. Well, you're not alone. Chances are that you have either been paying large sums of money to ineffective and expensive hosting platforms, or you've already given up on hosting or switched to a free account. We have good news for you. You now have another choice. Presenting SelfHoster. Host as many websites on your own PC as you like at the lowest one-time cost. Unlimited bandwidth at no extra or monthly cost. Convert your computer into a hosting company with no tech hassles. Get zero downtime and the fastest loading ever. Complete website protection for a lifetime. Host all your website content, including images, videos, graphics, and files, securely on your own computer. Bid a final adieu to expensive hosting platforms like HostGator, GoDaddy, DreamHost, etc., and tons of other benefits. And the best part? You get all these benefits with no extra fees. With SelfHoster, control is yours. SelfHoster is everyone's dream come true. Growing your business has never cost effective and simpler. You don't have to suffer at the hands of expensive website hosting platforms that take all your profits away. You never have to risk paying ransom to bully hackers to claim your site back from them. You can also prevent customers from getting annoyed owing to slow loading websites. Don't let platforms eat into your profits and take advantage of your inevitable need. With SelfHoster, you and your website visitors will always be happy. Host unlimited sites and domains from your own computer at a one-time cost lower than you could ever imagine. Our reliable and strong platform ensures you can host all your data and websites with tremendous ease. SelfHoster has been tried and tested to guarantee the fastest loading with no downtime at all. SelfHoster is your all-in-one, affordable and trusted hosting solution to grow your business, and no more wasting your precious money on shared hosting platforms that are not bothered for your business growth. Stop being at the mercy of third-party hosting companies that make you bankrupt. Give an unforgettable website experience to your visitors and get them connected forever. Reduce your marketing expenses and get higher ROI. Take complete control of your business and get best results in a cost-effective manner. Save thousands of dollars and use them for boosting your business. Here's what makes SelfHoster the latest revolution in hosting arena. Host unlimited sites easily from your own computer. Includes unique, easy-to-use desktop application. Get 100% protection against malware, hackers, and spammers. Never worry about losing a single website visitor. SelfHoster makes growing your business fast and easy. It's time you stop paying thousands of dollars to host ineffective websites that take forever to load. SelfHoster gives you access to your very own powerful desktop application. Host unlimited websites and domains from your PC within minutes. All you need to do is simply follow our 3 steps to profit forever. Never worry about losing customers and boost profits at the snap of your fingers. Our sophisticated platform is so easy to use, it almost feels like child's play. SelfHoster is perfect for anyone and everyone. Everyone who owns a business, service, or is a marketer. Everyone who wants to survive in this new age digital world. Everyone who would like to make their website live. Everyone who would like to retain their profits and avoid paying a hefty monthly fee. Everyone who wants to take a giant leap over their competitors. Everyone who doesn't want their customers to be pissed off because of slow loading websites. It's your best chance to live freely and enjoy the laptop lifestyle. And by doing so, you don't leave any stone unturned to say goodbye to living like a misser and give everything you dreamt of to your family. After all, you only live once. Along with that, you will also be able to get complete financial freedom, have a passive income source, face no external pressure, enjoy all material comforts, convert dreams into reality, live a stress-free life. Limited time launch deal. And here's the best part we haven't revealed. With this limited time commercial license, you too can earn top dollar by offering premium hosting services to hordes of customers scattered globally. As if that wasn't enough, you will also build a new source of income with a constant flow of money. Within minutes, you'll be on your toes to take complete control of your business and provide these red-hot services across niches to hordes of hungry clients while you earn big without any writing skills, design knowledge, or technical skills. But I have a question. Why are you offering so much at such a low price? We're sure you wanted to get this question straight to us, and we're not surprised at all. The biggest catch is the crazy low price that you're seeing right now on this page is only for a limited time during this launch. As soon as the launch period gets over, the price will be rightfully raised to its actual without any doubt at all. So all you need to do is make the most from this one-time opportunity and give the dream life to your family like you always aspired. SelfHoster is a risk-free investment for your bright future. It is only fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. First movers can take unprecedented advantage of this sophisticated technology. We are confident that this much value has never been offered at a lower price. So it's really about embracing the change as quickly as possible to profit like never before. In the event that you don't enjoy this stunning technology easily at a cost equivalent to your morning coffee and bagels, then we assure you a complete refund. Simply ask and you shall receive all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. SelfHoster will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes zero. Thank you for watching this SelfHoster review.